Meaning of edifying.
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 Edifying. The word edifying means to provide moral or intellectual instruction in a way that improves someone's character or knowledge. When something is considered edifying, it has the power to enlighten and inspire the listener or viewer, encouraging them to think more deeply about important ideas or beliefs. The result of edification can be transformative and long-lasting, leaving a positive impact on one's personal growth and development. Overall, the aim of edifying content is to uplift and motivate people towards greater understanding, empathy, and compassion for themselves and others.